Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the New Era Academy, with another video. Today I am going to show you how to do morning assembly in your school or in your kids school. मतलब मॉर्निंग हम स्कूल के कोई भी स्कूल के या अपने बच्चे के स्कूल के या अपने स्कूल के मॉर्निंग असेंबली कैसे करना चाहिए वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिखाएंगे। मॉर्निंग असेंबली का जो स्क्रिप्ट है वो हम दिखाएंगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। टाइम इज़ फ्री बट इट इज़ प्राइसलेस। You cannot own it, but you can use it. You cannot keep it, but you spend it. Once you have lost it, you can never get it back. With this beautiful quote, a very good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Ovik Sinha, have extended the opportunity to conduct today's morning assembly. Let's begin with our school song. Plays imports feeling of nationalism among us. So for the plays, I would call Aman Sinha from class 2. Reading newspaper and watching news are important for all, as news keeps us abreast with the current affairs and latest developments. In the hustle and bustle of life, we do not get time to read the newspapers. To update us with current happenings, I would like to call Shumaya Begum for updating with current affairs. One forget words as one forget names. One vocabulary need constant fertilizing or it will die. I would like to request Mayank Sinha to enhance our vocabulary by reciting poems. Thought give us a positive opinion to start our day with excitement and inspirations. Let's change our thought together because if we change our thoughts, we can change the world. For today's thought, I would call Ruxana Begum from class 3. Life is too short to celebrate every chance we get. Now there is Arnapurna Sutradhar of Nursery class is celebrating her birthday. So let us wish her happy birthday. General knowledge is the key of success and as important aspect in our daily life. It helps us to know the important. It helps us to know the things which happening in or around our surroundings. To assess our knowledge, here is Avik from class 2. PT or physical therapy will help you strengthen the muscles associated with your injury as well as surrounding muscles. Table help out in making mathematical calculations quickly by reducing time and energy. To assess our mathematical knowledge, there is Mayank Sinha from class 2. I would like to call our principal sir to render some words in our morning assembly. Starting always has an ending. Now we have also reaching the ending of our assembly. It is prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that this country is free and defending to freedom is his duty. So let's get ready for national anthem.